I guess that if you are anything like me, you're tired of manually scheduling all of your appointments and your meetings. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use an incredible software that streamlines all of this operation for you to get rid of the manual tasks that imply creating meetings and appointments and other parts of organizing your calendar. Today we're going to be checking out Calendly. Calendly eliminates a bunch of unnecessary steps on the process of creating meetings and schedules, for example, because it lets you create personalized links for people to access those meetings without back and forth emails. And your contacts, for example, can automatically see which times you have available and which times you don't. I'm going to be teaching you how to use the basic functions of Calendly. So I'm going to make my face disappear real quick so I can show you my screen better. See you guys at the end. I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly account from scratch. I'm going to use one of my Google emails. On the process of creating your Calendly account, it asks you if you want to connect your Google Calendar for it to work better. I'm gonna click on this option so I can show you what it can do with your Google Calendar as well. I'm gonna click on continue. It asks you how are you gonna be using Calendly. I'm just gonna click with on my own for now. And let's say we're on the education field. This is a really cool part of Calendly because right off the bat, it asks you which slots of time you have available to meet with people each day of the week. Let's say that on Monday, I don't start my work that early, let's say at 10 a.m. and I can meet people till 4 p.m. And you can change all of these times for specific days of the week. You can eliminate a day altogether, or you can add it once again with the plus sign right here. You can also choose the time zone that works better for you and click on next. Right here, Calendly asks you which platform would you like to use to meet with people. I'm just gonna click on Google Meet because that's the one that I use, and it's gonna take a few seconds to set up your Calendly. It already produced a suggestion right here, a 30-minute meeting, but let's delete one right now so I can show you how to create one from scratch. Right here is the homepage of Calendly. You have your profile right here. Once you start using Calendly, you have 14 free days of trial. If you want to use the paid version, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. If you want to create a new meeting, for example, we just click on this plus sign right here that says new event type. Let's say that I want to create a meeting just me with another person. I click on one-on-one. This meeting is going to be called important meeting. I can click the duration of the meeting. I can schedule it from 15 minutes to 60 minutes or a custom time that I can write. I'm just gonna click on 30 minutes for now. Right here on this tab, you can choose which platform the meeting is gonna be held on. If you wanna use your Zoom, you need to connect your account. You can write your phone number. You can even specify if the meeting is gonna be in person, so you can write the address. Let's say I wanna use it with Google Meet, so I click on this tab right here and click on Google Meet. I've already connected my Google account, so the account is already there, and you can choose right here which availability you have. We have two different types of tabs. We have working hours from 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday, or you can create a custom schedule. For example, let's say Mondays are not available and Wednesday aren't either, and on Thursday you can meet real early from 7 a.m. let's say until 3 p.m. We can leave it like this, and once again we can change the time zone so it fits better if our clients are from abroad, let's say. And you can even add specific hours for specific dates. If you click on this option right here that says hours, let's say that on Sunday the 22nd of June I can work from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. because I have a slot available. And we click on apply, and those are the specific dates and hours in which the meeting is going to be held on. Once we've specified all of the parts of the meeting, we can create it and we can add it to one of the dates on our calendar. Since we've said that we don't work on Mondays or Wednesdays, they are not available on the next week. We're going to click on Sunday as of now. And since we've created a slot time from 11 to 2, these are going to be the only hours available. Let's see, for example, on Tuesday, we have more time slots available. Let's say that we're going to hold the meeting on Tuesday at midday, and we could just click on Save Changes. So right now we have our meeting set right here, a 30-minute meeting, one-to-one on Tuesday at midday. If we want to edit any part of the meeting, we can click on the settings icon right here and click on edit, and we're going to be taken back to this tab right here so we can edit the meeting once again. Let's check the availability tab, for example. Here we're taken back to the days and times that we set up at the beginning. We can edit them at any time that we want, so they are modified for our clients and for our coworkers to see. We can add, for example, a different holiday schedule, and we can connect further calendars into Calendly. Here we have some contacts tabs where we can add the contacts that we want to have meetings with. Here we have a workflow tab. We're not going to look into this right now, but if you guys are interested, we could explore it in a different tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to share your specific link, your specific Calendly link, you just click on this arrow on the top right here. You click on my link. This is the name of my email, so it created a personalized URL with my email at the end, but you can change it any way you want if it hasn't been used before. Let's say we want to make it tutorial for YouTube. So this will be our custom URL for us to share it with anyone that's interested on having meetings with us. We can click on save changes, and now you can share this link with anyone that you want to have a meeting with. If we go back to the event types, you can also share the link for this specific event, for this specific meeting. Let's say if you click on this option right here, copy link, it's already copied. If we go to a new tab, we can see that the link takes us to the specific meeting that is not yet available because we set it up on Tuesday. And once you've done with the meeting, you can click on this tick option right here for it to disappear. That's pretty much the basic functions of how Calendly works. As you see, it can help you streamline and organize better the way that you have meetings with clients or with coworkers. It is a really powerful tool that integrates your calendars from other apps such as Google or Microsoft into your workflow. I'm really curious to know if you guys have already used Calendly. If you've already used it, I want to read your comments down below. Once again, if you want to use the paid version, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below as well. My name is Santiago. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you've already used it or no, or if you are gonna use it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to check all of the other tutorials that we have available, and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.